I want to be clear. This bill does not create strict liability or guarantee a favorable judgment and will not allow frivolous lawsuits to proceed.
You mentioned that it would not lead to frivolous lawsuits. Can you indicate to me why in the language only a successful plaintiff is entitled to attorney's fees? Why, if somebody brings a lawsuit and the lawsuit was frivolous, why shouldn't the defendant be entitled to attorney's fees?
So the particulars of that bill language, I can actually defer to the attorneys after me at the Giffords Law Center who will be testifying in support as they are the architects of this bill. What I meant by saying that this will prevent frivolous lawsuits from being brought is that in our civil justice system, when you are filing a lawsuit, you have to make a showing to a judge when you're doing those filings that there is evidence to support your claim. No other industry that has these protections or these pathways to civil liability in place has these frivolous lawsuits being made against them. What this simply allows is someone who has actually made a showing of harm to have their day in court and get their foot in the door to see if they can have their claim heard by a judge and a jury.
So I just want to, you just said something about having to show the judge the basis of your claim. What are you talking about there?
So in our civil legal system, when you are filing a lawsuit, you do have to make a showing of facts to support your claim to show a judge, hey, listen, I have actually been harmed. These are the facts, or this is the reason why I'm entitled to discovery to learn more facts about why I think I have been harmed. This is the process that everyone in the country who is filing a civil lawsuit has to go through in order to make sure that we are not wasting the court's times with frivolous claims that are unsupported by evidence. So this is just holding the gun industry to the same standards that every other person and every other entity in this country is held to.
Okay, I'm just being someone who's in court just about every day that I'm not here. What is your knowledge as to the civil procedure process in the state of Connecticut or any state?
I'm not barred in the state of Connecticut, so I don't think legally I'm actually allowed to say any of that. I'm barred in the state of California.
And are you?
But I also don't know that that has bearing on the specific substance of the bill. So I'm happy to answer questions about the specific substance of the bill.
No, I know, and you were talking about the civil procedure that you have to prove to a judge when you file a case that your case has merit. Do you practice in court?
I don't currently practice in court. I'm a policy attorney for the Brady campaign.
Okay. Have you ever practiced in court?
No.